What's up, guys? So it's Friday and I'm gonna be getting the Donzi ready for the long weekend. I'm gonna be using it tomorrow early in the morning and I'm gonna be using it Sunday. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do to get the boat ready and everything that you should look for when you're trying to get your boat ready for a long weekend. Alright guys, so I turned on the engine just to make sure that it turns out no issues. Obviously this engine is in perfect condition, so right now I have the cowling off and I'm looking for any loose wires. I'm looking for anything that looks irregular, and looks amazing, to be honest. This engine is super clean, so everything looks fine there. Check right here. I just want to check the oil very quick, and I want to put some, you guys here very quick. I want to check this oil. I checked it last time before I came back. Perfect, beautiful. Smells good, looks good, and it's where it's supposed to be. So that's awesome. So since the cowling's off, I got some T9. I love using this stuff to make sure that the engine stays looking new and it doesn't never corrode. This is some T9. You can get this in almost any marine supply store. And I just like putting them in where all the bolts are and over all the metals where nothing corrodes. Honestly guys, I actually like the way it smells. Some people don't, but I do. I want to leave this engine looking as pretty as possible for the new owner to appreciate it. So this engine is gonna be for sale. It's a 2005, it has 900 hours, and I want 6,500 bucks with the whole rigging. Throttle, the only thing I'm not gonna include in the 6,500 is the steering ram. But the throttle cable, the harness, and the engine, 6,500, not a dollar less. If you or one of your friends want the engine, hit me up, send me a comment, and I'll send you my email, and yeah, we'll work out a deal. But I'm firm on the 6,500, guys. This is a one owner engine, repowered in 2005, and this engine literally has 0 issues and 0 corrosion, and it's just beautiful. Honestly, I might paint the cowling, the outside, and put some new decals, but I'm not sure yet. The only reason I'm selling it is because I'm a Mercury guy, and I need to have a 300 Mercury on here. This is a 225 4-stroke, starts right up, gives 0 issues. But at the end of the day, guys, I'm a Mercury guy. My dad's a Mercury guy. All my friends are Mercury people. So I'm gonna stick with what I know and get rid of what I don't know. What I do know is that this engine is in amazing condition in comparison to everything else that I've seen. So I'm not gonna spray that up there. That looks like electrical components, and I don't spray that on electrical components. So another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a Sharpie, because if you guys didn't know, I bought this boat with these cracks, and usually this is an indication that the transom is bad. These stress cracks right here. I'm gonna get a Sharpie and I'm gonna put a mark right here to make sure that this crack doesn't get any bigger. And I'm gonna put a mark right here. I'm gonna be marking it up with a Sharpie because I want to make sure that I get my baseline from where the cracks were. I'm gonna be using the boat all weekend, so I'm assuming that we're gonna hit a few waves, and I just want to see how good she is. So that's the first step that I do whenever I go take out a boat. The next thing I'm gonna do is completely wash her down because she's filthy. Alright guys, so she's clean. Cleans up nice for a 1980. She looks good in the camera. She does have defects, but it's a 1988, guys. Come on. Give me a break. So yeah, she does need a polish, but maybe some new paint. But she's nice and clean. And she's ready for the weekend. So now we're gonna go to Publix. We're gonna get some subs. We're gonna get some water, some beer, and we're gonna stock up for the weekend. So that's always part of boating. You gotta go get snacks, you know. And so I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. If you guys like this boat, make sure to drop a like. If you guys want to see more of it, make sure to subscribe. You already know the deal, guys. Let's go. We're here at the gas station, guys. I put 150 bucks and it didn't do much. See here, we're still missing one bar to get full. So she took 51 gallons. 51 gallons. $150 later. And we're still not topped off. It had like 3/4 of a tank before I came here to the gas station. So it's part of the game. Everybody wants a boat. Almost anybody can buy a boat if you work hard. But can you maintain a boat? That's the question. Owning a boat's a lifestyle, guys. It's not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. I tell that to everybody. You have to be dedicated to these things. Everybody's over here looking at me vlogging, looking at the boat. But it's alright. I've already gotten comfortable talking to the camera, thankfully. As I'm looking at the sunset, I was thinking that I need your help with some things, guys. I need you guys to comment down below what camera angle do you guys prefer to see the most? Do you guys prefer me to hold the camera and point? Hold the camera and point like I'm doing right now? Do you guys prefer to me have the camera on my head and see what I'm looking at? Or would you guys prefer to see a camera angle mounted just to a solid mount and it'll be there at all times? I have 2 cameras right now. I'm planning on buying another camera soon. But for this run tomorrow, Saturday, I want you guys to tell me, would you prefer me to hold the camera, or would you guys prefer me to put it on a mount, either on my head or on the boat itself? For now, guys, until I get another camera. You know, I'm starting off, and I need you guys to give me some feedback. Everything's appreciated. I appreciate all you guys that are watching. I appreciate all you guys who subscribed, and all you guys who keep commenting. I love reading all the comments and interacting with you guys. So let's continue and let's go on with the show.
Stop. Look at yourself.
It is what it is. Whatever. I had to give her the clean mask, and I took this dirty mask that I found under my seat. Flipped it upside down because the other side is super dirty. So we're here at Publix for I guess some things. It is what it is. I don't care. I'm over this freaking mask stuff, man. Essentials. That's an essential right there. Another essential item.
Transaction.
So I just realized I forgot 2 things. I forgot to get ice for the boat, and I forgot to put gas in my truck. So, and I gotta throw away that damn couch that's been back there for the past week. These are good, babe. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. Next time you guys will be seeing me be tomorrow in the water. So if you like this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, comment. I'm gonna be boating all weekend, so let's go. Tell everybody to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell them, Sailor. Tell everybody to drop a like. This is Sailor, everybody. This is my 3-year-old puppy. I've had him since he was 6 days old. And he goes boating with me. I just don't have the life vest, so I'm not gonna take him tomorrow. What, you wanna go? You wanna go out in the boat? Yeah? Maybe next time, Sailor. Not tomorrow, buddy. Not this weekend.